Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona Tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. A couple of months ago I made a few videos on wax carving and I promised you to get back on it. It's a bit late, but here it is. I wanted to show you the different types of waxes, and there is this wax as well. It's called casting wax and these are sheets 1.3 millimeters thick, and they come in a box with 16 of these pieces, and you can use them to shape your piece and to have it casted. And what I like about this wax is it's very easy to shape. You can just warm it up with your hands and you can shape it any way you would like. And we are going to use this one for today's project. And it's this, I just thought of it. I used to bake cakes, so I dove into the garage in a pile of boxes that we haven't opened since we moved here 5 years ago. And I just spotted this one. It's a Wilton cake maker thingy with a flower. So you can do everything by hand, but I'm not such a sculptor. I wish I was, but everybody's good in their own thing. I'm going to apply a bit more force here, and I'm hoping this is going to work. That would be really great. It's a small blossom cutout thing by Wilton. So far so good. And now I need to press it down in here. It's an impression mat. It even has textures like these for petals and for leaf impressions, so maybe we can use them as well. Let's try and find out. I'm going to apply a lot of pressure on top. And let's see if we can get this out and how it is going to look. And like this wasn't great enough, you can also use it to bezel set your stones. I am going to use some wax wire here, and I will show you more about this in next week's tutorial. I am just test fitting my stone here and taking away some of the wax on the sides. I didn't cut this out yet because this is a bit easier to work with, at least it is for me. So I don't have to be afraid that everything melts in my own hands because I have a bigger piece to hold on to. I'm going to leave the stone in here for extra stability. As you can see, I have been playing around a bit with texture, but this is my end game. I have this little wheel here. Again, it's from baking cakes. And I am going to use this to add some texture to the sides. I think I showed you enough techniques for now. We made a pendant, the leaf, different flowers. I am going to play around a bit more to finish my designs. In next week's tutorial I am going to show you how you can make your own designs with wire wax. And the week after that I am going to show you how all of these items will look after they are casted.